Honorable members, that COVID-19 test facility, both rapid antigen and RT-PCR is available at reception office, Parliament House from 8 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. and at auditorium ground floor of Parliament House Annex C from 10:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day throughout the current session of Parliament. Members are advised to avail this facility and get their test done as per their convenience and requirement. Further, significant number of oximeters to check oxygen saturation level of members are available at First Aid Post, Parliament House and Medical Centre, Parliament House Annex C. Members are advised to avail this facility also. Yesterday, honourable members, I have again held a meeting with the Home Secretary, Joint Secretary, Health, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, and Director General ICMR, and also the officers of the Rajya Sabha about the measures being taken to contain the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic and safeguards and precautions that are required for members. What they have told me is, one, the best safeguard according to them is mask. Derek must be laughing because I misunderstood that day, as I told you. I can be frank on that. Mask. Wearing the mask whenever you meet a person outside your house, including outsiders working in your house. This is very, very important, please. Yeah. Second is safe distance. Surakshita Dur, whatever you call. That is essential till this Mahamari goes away. Wherever you meet anybody, anytime, this is very, very important. And third one is hygiene. Maintain hygiene, washing your hands, cleaning them with Dettol or whatever it is from time to time, and keep yourself free from this any sort of infection. And the fourth thing is about the need to keep immunity levels of your body. That is possible by healthy food habits, healthy life, and also some amount of exercise. You call it as walking or yoga, whatever it is. I am not prescribing particular thing. This is very, very essential. And eating healthy food. I am not prescribing any food. Healthy food, you know what is healthy food. And remember the grandmother's prescriptions in your respective places. And whatever is to be done in normal course, in cooking, in eating, in also in living, that has to be remembered. These are all very important. I am concerned about the people. At the same time, I am concerned about my members of the House. And as we are functioning in such situation, I request all the members to please keep distance. Do not cross that 6 feet limit, and do not bend on other member's side and then try to whisper. It is also important, as I told you yesterday, slip or otherwise go out. And then also coming here to the table and then trying to talk to them. Please send us slips or talk to them before the session starts. And then avoid coming to the chair also. Here. And also in the room. And then the question is, as was raised by some members yesterday, what about our problems, grievance, if any? Please write and send it to me. That's the best way. I hope every one of my members will remember these 4 things that have been said by ICMR, Health Ministry and Home Ministry, and cooperate so that we can operate and then complete our business at the earliest and go back to serve our people. Sri Sasmit Patra, matters to be raised with the
Sir, Dr. Sasmit Patra.